This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Now the harvester needs to pick corn 2 times. Right here and here. Okay. So if I need to do that, well, let's get started. I have 1 block, yep, and I can use up to 7. First, I want to figure out how far away I am. So I'm just going to start moving that way. Let's try twice. And I'm going to use step just to check. Step. Step. Okay, so that line of code gets us to there. So we'd need 1 more of these things to get all the way to the corn, I think. Yes. All right. And then what do we do when we're at corn? Well, we should pick it. Okay. And then what do we need? Well, we need to go east. 1 more, right? Let's make sure that gets us there. And then we pick the corn. Okay, reset. Let's test this. There are several ways to make this shorter, so I'll go over the shortcuts in just a sec. But I think, woohoo! Alright, that's one solution. Here's another. So in code, if you're repeating yourself, there's likely a faster way. So 1, 2, 3 easts. So instead of writing east 3 times, I could put it in here. And now this will also make us go east 3 times, because it says once, twice, 3 times. Anything in this mouth actually makes us go east 3 times, or it would make us go pick 3 times. Whatever's in here happens 3 times, or 5, or whatever number we got. Once it's done running this, though, it runs all the code beneath it. So now that we are there, why don't we go ahead and now there's even one other way to do this that I want to show you, okay? So let me put it back to how we had it. And east and east. This is kind of advanced though, but notice we repeat ourselves here, but we also repeat ourselves here. We go east and pick corn, we go east and pick corn. So you can actually put 2 blocks of code in a repeat block, except how many times do we repeat ourselves? Well, only twice. So I would need to change this to 2. I'm dragging this over here. And now, once we go east and east, it hits the repeat and says, oh, I need to go east again. I'm going to pick the corn. And let's actually step through this one. East, 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 pick corn. Now it hits the bottom of the loop and says, oh yeah, 1 more time. East, and pick corn. There's often a bunch of ways to solve stuff with code, and all of those were correct. Awesome. Let's keep going.